How to fix YouTube black screen. So the first step you would need to do in order to fix your issue is that make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is not stable, you may face app errors on your Samsung Smart TV. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that from the main home screen, go to Apps. Now from here, you'll see Downloaded App category. From here, select YouTube and long tap on it. From here, you'll see the option of Reinstall. Select it. Now just wait for some time. Now, the third step you would need to do in order to fix your issue is that open Settings. Now from here, select All Settings. Now from here, select Support. From here, you'll see the option of Software Update. Make sure that your TV is updated to its latest version. And check if YouTube app is working or not. So follow these easy steps in order to fix YouTube black screen issue. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that clear app cache. So for that, open Settings. From here, go to All Settings. From here, go to Support again. Now, go to Device Care. Now, from here, go to Manage Storage. Now, from here, find YouTube application. Now, below YouTube, you'll see View Details. Select it. Now, all you would have to do is select on the option of Clear Cache, and then you would be able to fix the issue of YouTube black screen on Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.